I'll mute you soon.
We're not live.
Yeah, good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, okay. Audio's working. Everything's working. We're live to do some game dev.
Ready? No.
Yeah.
We're here to just sing Zelda music.
Well, you've been singing Zelda music for the last 10 minutes, haven't you?
Yeah.
Well, I don't mind it. We love that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just start with I'm not gonna be singing all this. All this stream, you can probably just find that on YouTube or
Probably better than
Spotify.
our improvised version.
Hey, I know that off by heart, okay?
Yeah. Right. Actually, you should have stayed on the code thing,
the
because
code,
there we
yeah.
had our to-do list.
Oh shoot, yeah, we have to do this.
What does it say?
Make player look at interaction target until interaction is completed. Question mark.
I don't know if it's a question mark. It's certainly a statement.
It's a statement. I'm gonna get rid of the question mark. Do this in conversation script so that it is continuous until control is released again. Yes.
Yes, because this is the player interact script.
And we noted it down in the wrong area, didn't we? Yeah.
Well, it was more the fact I was planning to implement it here, or I did actually do an attempt at it, and then we scrapped it because we realized that this script pauses while the interaction is happening.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that.
And I also realized you can do this like fancy, jump interact, where you jump over the person you interacted with. So you're interacting with it in air and you're like landing afterwards. And like if you just take the angle at that point of interaction, then things would be weird. You'll be facing backwards.
The fact that you can jump interact, I think is amazing.
Yeah.
People should do more jump interacts, right?
It's like you're starting a conversation with someone while they're still like overhead them.
Wow.
So yeah, that's
Especially if the NPCs also like looking like whoa. Hello.
that would be cool. Well, that's probably what we're trying to get going, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Or I don't know. Does NPC only? Can we just scroll down?
Yeah.
The NPC, I think.
Yeah, because we wrote this last time, wasn't it?
We made NPC look at the player, didn't we?
Yeah, but this is just to interact, I think.
Was that done in the conversation?
No, here it is. Find icon. No.
That's the icon.
Yeah, world to screen. Start conversation. I think it's in the start conversation one.
Yeah, let me look at the conversation script then.
There you go.
Yeah, look at player.
Well, I'm not seeing that. You said look
You're
at player.
highlighting it right now.
Oh yeah. Look at player. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and that's in the move script. So the blue movement has a look at, and that will then be set to that one. So yeah, I think it will track the player as you will. But we made sure that it doesn't like look up in the air. Yeah. Because then you have your feet in the air because it's a round berry.
Yep.
We don't have neck movement. So we projected it onto a flat plane.
Yeah, but you look cute when he was sitting as well, remember?
Yeah, we have the new sit animation. I haven't seen how it is.
No, we need to put him in as well. Have you seen what it looks like in game?
No.
No, we should probably.
I only made it in Blender and left it.
Oh, where? Okay, let's have a look. Where are our little?
It's in the world.
Yeah, I know he's in
and
the
in
world.
the characters.
But it's just Unity has decided to lag out. The character is Mr. Blueberry. Blueberry. Oh, he looks so cute.
Ah, hello.
Hello with the blueberry. Oh, yeah. So, where's his animations?
Animator. Just double click that one.
Yeah.
Okay, we can make a new one here probably. Is sitting.
Is sitting?
Or just go out on sitting.
Yeah, I think just call them sitting would be best.
Yeah, because I mean that's a convention for the other ones as well.
Go here.
Yes,
Blueberry
I think idle old is the sitting one, except Unity doesn't rename them when you rename them in.
Oh yeah, I forgot that. Yeah.
But I think you may be able to rename it in Unity. We can, if you click on strawberry on the project there, down a bit.
That one?
No, strawberry.
That one.
Yes. Is it here? Yes.
No, this is strawberry, not blueberry.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Blueberry.
Yeah, you're the one who's.
Yeah, but he's not sitting here.
Okay, so that's not working then.
No. I think it's that bug that we experienced with Blender. We're going to re-import it to do it.
Let's just double click the file and open it in Blender and see if it's there. Maybe I saved it out to a different file. Maybe the work isn't committed. It's lost.
I don't think it's lost, Krister. Oh, you're so melodramatic.
All right.
Yeah, well, he definitely has a sit.
All right, let's play it.
Okay, let's play it. Okay, where's the play button there? Hi, Mew. Oh, you look so cute.
Isn't that what you imagine a blueberry sitting looks like?
Yeah, that's what I look like a blueberry sitting. That's definitely what a blueberry looks like.
You can't keep still. You just gotta like be excited and stay.
Yeah. Yeah, so we do have it, but I think we're experiencing the same bug we had with Blender the other day, where we had to like kind of re-import it properly before it did it, because Unity has been Unity.
Yeah, I just was hoping to avoid that because we need to relink all animations again. Just minimize this and just poke around at the animation thingy on the left there. I mean, on the
blue
thingy,
bar.
because we need to spot it in here before it will
But
be
should
shown.
we maybe re-import maybe?
Try. I should have done that already though. Animate custom properties? No, that's not it.
No. So it's definitely this one. Import animation, resample
Oh,
curves.
it might be a case of just play that one. I was thinking, no, that's the old animation.
That's the old animation. I was wondering, like,
Wait a second, I kept it. Maybe the plus button will do the trick. Barry Idle. Source take. What is that? Oh, there's a sit.
Oh, we found it.
Oh, so it does work.
Yeah, now he's gonna sit. I'm just gonna.
See, re-importing would now helped us. Now we learned something. What does he have in his butt?
I don't know what he has in his butt. Does he have a pip in there? I think he has a pip.
No, it's been cut off, I think.
Been cut off.
Yeah, it's through the floor.
Oh, maybe.
But that's a bit weird. Why is it cut off underneath the floor? Bit of a yeah.
But
Maybe he just has a butthole.
Okay, wait a second. Apply this. Okay, we need to apply that.
Yeah. Oh wait, did it have the right end animation? That was 54 frames. That's not right.
Sure.
I think it's supposed to be. I remember 36 frames.
Let's have a look. 36 frames.
From 1 to 36. Because I was testing this one with 48 frames and 24, and both of them like didn't feel the right speed, so I concluded on like 36 when I made it.
That's a good ground plan. So now he should be wee.
That's better.
Just seen his back. But now we can go here, and I was gonna go onto this. Now we've got a sitting animation. I
need to add a parameter. And good morning, if anybody's joining us. Hope you are having a nice day, for we don't know what time zone you're in.
Having day, morning, evening.
For us, it's morning.
Was it a board? Yeah, it was a board. Is sitting. I'm gonna put that. And I guess I gotta do all my transition-y thingies.
Yeah, you right click on the one you want to start on, which is like idle.
Make transition to this one. And then make transition to that one. And I'm gonna click on these.
You make add a condition and exit time is the things you need to fix there.
Yeah, no. Sorry. Is sitting would be true because that's going into it.
Remove the exit time.
And remove exit time. And then this one is sitting false. And remove this one.
Yeah, get it.
So now it just goes. He's a pop-up.
That was a bit of a pop-up one, wasn't it?
Yeah. I just really dislike the fact that he's like facing the wrong way. I'm like, I want to see.
There, play. Wait. I was thinking, in our random movement around script, we can make him occasionally sit down and wait.
We could totally do that.
Because I really like that in the movement we have that, he will accelerate and he will run first. Once he reaches maximum velocity, he will start tumbling. And that transition worked really well.
Come on, everybody, you want to see the blueberry party, right?
Well, it's no blueberry party yet, is there?
No. It's gonna be a blueberry party. Give me a blueberry party. I'm just gonna do one thing on my phone.
Okay. Shall I continue with the blueberry party?
No, I'm gonna do it. Okay,
I'll be patient.
Oh no, I don't have my cam.
Winky looks so lonely. Should I fix dog cam?
I think we should fix dog cam.
Then we have dog cam fixing break.
Yes. It's an important dog cam fixing break. I'm just gonna be singing that song for like years.
Yeah, that's how that song works. But the game came out in the 90s.
What?
90s.
Game came out in the 90s, and I'm still singing this crap.
Is dog cam better?
Yes, but it's focused on a winky.
Morris is left.
Oh. Sorry guys, Morris has left. Doesn't like anybody anymore.
Good morning. Hello. Oh, you're such a good muffin. How are you supposed to do any work with you around?
We don't do work. Secret.
We just do snuggles.
We just do snuggles.
Yeah. If we turn the mic on the mic supply cam, we just have dog snoring on the stream.
Yeah, we've done that on numerous times, and it's
We should have the camera hooked up ready though, so we can turn it on when we want. That'd be kind of cool. We don't have it set up right now.
No. I've just been going on to yours and mine and just retweeting.
Alright, that's a good idea. Everyone is asleep.
Everyone's just like, snoozing and losing! Don't snooze and lose!
Not in Snuti HQ, no.
No.
Just the dog cam is allowed to do that.
Yes, only dog cam is allowed to
They have
snooze
that
and
privilege.
lose.
It'd be so cool, Clara, when we get this up on the wall there.
I know, it's bare, man. This is bare. I guess this is bad, man.
My hairs decided to go everywhere. Okay.
Krista decided to wake up this morning with a bird nest.
It did look pretty bad.
And I was just like, it's lots of cute little birds. He was like, no. I was like, okay.
Sorry.
Oh no, it would have been a blueberry nest, Krista. I think about all the blueberries rolling around.
Imagine all the jam I would have had in my hair.
Oh, man. Yeah, you know, we should just be like really, 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 really cheeky and just get our video up.
What do you mean? Oh,
a blueberry video.
Why not?
Because it's just like we've been watching this blueberry video for days. It's a bit of a problem.
If you need to turn on desktop audio, that one I have set up on the other right. Just pull faster.
Just pull faster already.
Desktop audio, scroll down the list. Oh no, I haven't set it up because I've had to clear everything this morning.
You just need to go on Twitter and see it. But for now, here's the little teaser. It's the little blueberries.
And we get that song stuck in our head.
Yeah.
Goat.mp3, as it's called.
Imagine if we had the Ocarina of Time music.
That'd be kind of weird. Well, maybe it'll fit in the one they have in the horse ranch.
Yeah.
I don't remember quite how it goes, but
now. Does anybody know how it goes? Please sing it.
please sing it. That'll be a tall order for a chat.
No, I'm just expecting somebody to come up with a challenge and start, writing down like, I don't know how it goes again. I don't know. Somebody can write it up anyway. I mean, look at 50 blueberries. We just do 50 blueberries when there's more people on the stream to watch us do more blueberries.
We will do that.
People, you need to come watch our stream so that we can.
We can have one blueberry per viewer.
Yeah. So there's only 2 blueberries now.
But were we supposed to do some work?
Oh no! We're supposed to just look at blueberries. Did you not know that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right. Yeah, we were supposed to do some work. Okay, I'm just gonna close Twitter because Twitter has a mind of its own.
Claire's struggling here.
Claire is currently struggling. Claire, yeah, okay. He has stopped responding. Yeah, so we added his sit-in position, and we were going to do something else with the player interacty thingy here, which is a to-do, which I don't like that to-do being there because it's not supposed to be there.
Yeah, move it to the script is relevant, which I think was conversation, did I say? It was
conversation, yeah. Is we had some extra stuff here. Woohoo! Hello.
Okay, so reading this to-do list, we have part of it completed.
Alright. Show UI and interaction. I thought we already deleted this last time. I don't think we did.
We probably had it double written up in a different script. Because we keep in our to-dos in scripts for some reason, which is not a great way, but fine for when the list is short.
When the list is short, yeah. So, trigger only when player is looking at character.
We realized that was not necessary because the range was so short that it didn't matter.
Yeah, so we can also delete this. Oh, how to-do lists are disappearing.
Yeah.
And then we got this one.
So do this in the conversation script so that it's continuous until control is released again. Make player look at interaction target. Yeah, so I was wondering here.
Mr. wonders a lot of things.
Can I point around the script?
Oh, yeah, you can point around the script.
With the cursor, that is.
With the finger.
Come on. He's a baka. Ay.
Secretly, Krista likes me.
Not secret. Got proof. So I was thinking here somewhere there is like this, player move freeze.
Yeah. Also
What if we replace the freeze with a look at?
But then we already have. Oh, we have the lookout from the Blueberry movement, which we made public.
Mm-hmm. But do we use freeze for anything else? I'm a bit tempted. Like, I mean,
Just search
maybe here is used. No,
Oh,
not used in the script. It's used
it's
here,
used
obviously.
here.
Because I was thinking
It's
when
used 3 places.
we can replace this with a vector 3 lookout or a transform lookout or something. When it's set, then you will freeze and you will look at the target.
Makes sense.
This one wouldn't use it. Blueberry player interact. What we also can do, we can remove it and see what breaks, because then Unity will start complaining.
Everything will break.
Well, oh yeah, it's in use obviously. Wait a second, we can make it non-public.
Oh,
that's a good idea. That will break the things I want to break, which is this one.
Two? Yeah.
Where I think it should be look at instead. Maybe you should control and not me.
Yeah, I think so. Considering you just do parentheses, I think that's wrong.
And now we can see here what else it complains about.
I was complaining about a roll tree.
Yeah.
And
looks like that works fine.
that did actually.
Yeah, I don't think it was in use anywhere else.
It's good. It's good. So it's only really that area then.
So should we then try to replace this?
Replace freeze entirely?
Yeah.
Freeze.
Because if we go back to player move, I think a good idea to do it would be to rename freeze to look at.
Yeah.
By using the F2 thingy, so replace it everywhere.
Okay.
Or maybe not, because it's like an integer. Yeah, okay, make a new one.
Okay.
Fine.
Transform. Yeah, because is it transform? I thought it was a vector 3 we were gonna have.
Transform.
Transform. Look at freeze. No.
You can't call it that. I mean, fine. This is lowercase to look at, and I set it to null.
Like that.
Yeah.
Oops. I don't know whether I saved or not. I didn't.
Yes. So now we can look through where we use freeze and trying to figure out how that should be written instead.
Here. As we save, it's more than 0.
Here we would check if it's not null, which would just do a double bang, wouldn't it? You remember that?
Like that, wasn't it?
No. At the double bang in front of it.
Like that?
Yeah.
And I don't need anything else?
Hmm.
Okay. And then the final area is this, which is probably again another double bang.
Yeah. Yeah, basically all of them turn into that.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't want to complain anymore, and I think that's done.
Mm-hmm.
If I have a look for freeze, it should only be one place. Yeah.
And delete it.
Okay. Bye, freeze. You're frozen.
Right.
Yep.
Then in the conversation where it said freeze, we will put in to set it to the transform, wouldn't we?
Yeah. So it's here.
That'll be the null.
But we didn't make it public.
No, that's a mistake.
So we should
Well spotted.
Make it public.
Mm-hmm.
But isn't that gonna mess up a little bit? Because in Blueberry Movement we also have this as a public.
No, because they're on different classes. So C# doesn't care about that because they are like Blueberry Movement dot look at. The other ones is player move dot look at.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Yeah. So, but it's still complaining.
What does it say then? Yeah, because if you look at what you're assigning to it.
Oh yeah, because it's an int. Yeah, of course. So it's not was it null we should be putting here? Yeah.
And you can't subtract the null. There we go.
Yeah. And then it was this one as well, wasn't it?
And here I think you can just write equal to transform.
Equal to transform like that?
No, lowercase. Because it's the yeah. There we go.
Okay. And there's no more freeze.
Because the conversation exists on the character we want to be tracking.
That makes sense.
So there would be that one.
Play look at the interaction until interaction is completed.
Well, we haven't implemented yet. We only now because the freeze only froze the player so he couldn't move. Right, but he could fly through the air sphere and everything. But we haven't implemented looking at.
Yeah. Okay. So why do we call it look at?
We want to implement the look at part of it, don't we?
Yeah. Okay.
But then I think in Blueberry Movement we have the look at, and we can just take that implementation and shove it into the other one.
This one?
Yes.
Here. So in the conversation then, I guess.
No, in the player move.
In the player move. Ooh.
Right, so when the look at is populated, we should do something with it. Oh, there's so much stuff here. I think maybe the update movement is where you want to look at. Look at.
Update jump, stationary, update camera. What did we say was going to be updates? There's too many updates.
Movement.
Update movement.
We can also have called one update look at. Or maybe it's a ragdoll, because it's like he's a double sphere. Or
Yeah, okay. Update ragdoll here. That's probably a good idea.
Yeah. Nail it, finish. Just paste it there. Now it's gonna work. Okay. Can I just point it around and we can think through it?
Oh, okay.
Keep it.
Okay.
Right. So we're setting the rotation of the ragdoll.
Yeah.
We wrote as a stay on your feet, recover footing. Oh, okay. I think we only need to, because when this is looked at, it's going to override and ignore all the other stuff. So I just want to see how is it done in the other scenarios. Last doll rotation. Up. Okay, so that's a new one. Because the only goal here is that we're trying to make him look forward.
Yeah.
Which is this direction, and make him stand straight because we have a ball spinning around him and he needs to straight. Man, it's so complicated.
Yep, it is complicated.
I think we can just use this approach and plug that one into this one.
Okay, yeah. Think so?
Yeah, because the reason we do it here is to slowly turn him like in a smooth way, remember?
Yeah, I remember that now.
So rotate towards is like from the last rotation to the new rotation, we do it at the speed of 700 delta time.
Yep.
And I don't, because we realized on this look at, we just wanted to be instant like, and that looked good.
Yeah.
So we're not going to lerp or slurp or rotate.
Slurp.
Right.
I like it when you slurp.
Is this a vector tree? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, apparently it is.
So that means if we take the direction, which this is also a vector tree, look at position and our position.
Yeah.
We project it on the plane, which is kind of what this one does as well, I think.
I think so.
Creates rotation with specified forward and upwards direction. I guess so.
I'd assume so.
So I think they might work in a similar way, except we will end up with what we want. Last direction is going to be just direction.
There, yeah.
You can start typing now.
Yeah, I can start typing now.
Because now we talk through it.
Yeah, because we're still going to be using this one, right?
You can comment it out. I don't think so.
Okay.
Oh, well, I think
checked on plane. I thought we might be using that.
we might be.
Okay.
But at the moment, I'm not sure.
Right, it doesn't like up.
Well, obviously, it's already defined. But I was thinking we could just do ragdoll lot rotation equals to all this stuff. And just remove the quaternion part of it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now it's not complaining.
And then, remove the final line. Or comment it out.
I'll comment it out.
And I think, should we make an if statement here? So the code above doesn't run when the lookout is set?
Yeah, I probably should. Should we just wrap it all around this then, or?
Yeah, I was also wondering if we should just make it a separate function. No, let's make it in the same function, it's fine. It gets a bit messy, but yeah, let's wrap it all around that.
Yep.
But I'm just wondering, should we then like put that in the else part below?
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. I don't know what I did again.
Just try again. That's the alt key.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
We have different alt positions on our keyboards. It's so confusing to me between the computers.
Just opened up Hyper instead. It's like, yay!
And the first two lines.
There you go.
Yep.
I'm just gonna space out. Like to be a bit breezy here.
Just run this and see.
Run this and see.
I don't have high hopes.
No.
Rotations always get us. Like,
every time.
Unity has made quaternion math simplistic, but it's still hard to wrap your head around.
Okay, so Let's go talk to Mr. Blueberry. Hello, Mr. Blueberry.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Oh.
Well, he's looking into the ground.
Well, other than that, he's looking
But
pretty
he can't move, so that's good. But then he just is sort of
Yeah, so
staying in.
we need something project on plane type of.
But also as well, once you finish talking to him.
Oh, okay. You endlessly talking with him.
I'm endlessly talking with him.
Can you not get out? Like,
well, I'm trying to look away. No.
But I think that's a bug with the conversation script in general.
Probably.
That there's no cooldown on like activation and deactivation.
Okay, look. All is in is. Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How you doing? Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How you doing? Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How you doing? Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How are you doing? It's an endless loop of blueberryness. Uh-oh. This could be a walking disaster. Yeah, so we then have that bug in the conversation script then.
Yep.
So when we stop conversation... Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Like, we didn't have that previously, that bug.
Okay, so how I,
Produced it?
produced the bug in a way was that I just went, like, directly in front of him. Because when I did it, like...
It only matters on range, not whether you're in front or not.
But you see, yeah, it's endlessly looping. Okay.
So, should we then... So, the start conversation... Oh yeah, it's obviously... So the player interact. This one say like, if you are clicking the interact button, it's going to start the conversation, and this is in an update loop.
Yeah.
And this one will stop the conversation. Let's see. At next sentence, which is triggered here, also an update loop. We can fix it by doing late update here.
Okay, I didn't know that was even a possibility like that.
Yeah, because then we will always make sure that this one runs last, so it won't trigger one running before it, because maybe. We'll see.
We can give it a shot. Hello, new viewers.
Oh, hello. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. How are you today?
Trying to fix a conversation script.
Mm-hmm.
It's not fun.
Yeah,
No.
I think it was very fun. It was stuck talking there forever.
Oh, he's endlessly looping Blueberry talking to him. So let's see if we have the same bug.
So I'm a bit worried if we have to make like a timer or something like that, and it's like messy.
Hi, I'm Blueberry. How you doing?
Yes, that released.
Hi, I'm Blueberry. How you doing?
That worked.
Yay!
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Blueberry. How you doing?
I find it strange we didn't discover that bug last time.
No. Hi, I'm Blueberry.
You know what? It's one of those situations where it's completely random which function runs first.
Yeah, and the fact that Mr. Pips is looking into the ground.
Oh, so nice feet you have.
Yeah, so nice feet. Oh, they're very blubbery.
I bet they're tasty.
Ooh, nom nom nom.
Yeah, we need to.
Blueberry's like, excuse me, get out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
No. Let me roll around. Let me be a free berry. Yeah, but I had something that I saw last time.
Did you see you get knocked backwards there?
Yeah, no. He's a rude little berry.
That is cool. I bet that if you have many of them and you walk into them, they will just knock you about.
Let's see if I can just get in his way. Come on, Blueberry.
I think we need to make many of them for that to happen. His movement is too random.
Come on. Hey, excuse me?
Did he walk straight through you?
No, he walked beside me. It was a bit like...
Yeah, he walked through you.
You walked through me?
But I think it's different from when you're walking and when you're... Yeah, it might be different when you're doing this and when you're standing still. Because when you're standing still, you get kind of locked in place. We do that so you don't fall down slopes and stuff.
Yeah, but one thing I was trying to show you before we were doing this was... Okay, just ignore that part. Was about I was like looking over here and you reset. Like, you don't...
Oh yeah, it doesn't smoothly transition.
Yeah. So it's like if I'm looking there, I'm going to be like...
Yeah, okay, so I think we can fix that as well by...
We're going to fix that. Yeah, because we just currently just look at and nothing else.
Yeah, and we jump straight in and out of it. So in here, I think if we do last and move this one out of it, like down there, it will fix it. Because here we are doing like linear interpolation. So it will interpolate from the last... Let's just try this and see if I've solved it.
Let's see.
Let me know if it's working.
Let me just. Okay, blue barrier, stop rolling. There you go.
That worked?
Yeah, that worked. Because when I did it a second ago, it just did it really fast, but I was very like close.
Mm-hmm.
So I kind of it's a bit of pui. Yeah, so we do need to do this project on plane.
Yeah, except that one, well, it returns a direction, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
So we can try it.
Do that? I think we probably can do that.
Yeah, I don't know what type of vector it returns. So, but can you hover project on plane? Returns.
Vector 3.
Projects a vector onto plane defined by normal orthogonal on the plane. I guess it returns a vector direction as well, not like some other weird value. I can try. Maybe that does it. Because that's what we did with the other guy. And he was very happy about it.
He was very happy about it. Yeah. Are you referencing to Blue Barry?
Happy Barry. Or was he feeling a bit blue? Oh, that worked.
Yeah, it worked.
No more looking at his feet. Yeah, the reason he's looking at his feet is that's his pivot point, isn't it?
Yeah.
I forgot that. I just thought it was random.
Now they're just having a smile off. Having a smile off.
Love it.
Ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Blue Barry, don't capture me as your Pokemon, please.
Oh, yeah.
They haven't made a blueberry Pokemon.
That's actually a good point. Out of the 800 Pokemons, I don't think there's a blueberry one.
No, there's a blueberry one.
Neither is strawberry one, Claire.
No, neither. No, I think they have like an ice cream one.
Well, that they do.
But they also do have like that one, which is like a parfait type of creature-like thing.
Mm-hmm. Basically, we need to make this into what do you call it? What's up?
Sin du gjort det? Det har gått med.
Oh. Okay. I'll fix that. Gomena. Silly laptop. Okay, let's go.
Silly laptop. We're just watching Blue Barry secretly stalking him from the grass. You never know.
I like that he can stand in between the grass things.
It's like, no one can see me, camouflage.
It's the new Assassin's Creed Barry.
Oh no!
Assassin's
Creed. Assassin Pip. Are you ready? Go. 3, 2, 1, attack!
Step. Toss pips at him.
Oh. No. We can't do this. Not to Mr. Blue Barry. That's cruelty to Blue Barrys.
Okay, we're making good progress. We have our to-do done, don't we?
Yeah, we do actually. Sorry, I just...
Oh, here, can I try one thing?
Yeah.
Walking around here?
Yeah.
Because we need to do the jump interact. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
And see if that works. Whee! Look at that. He was tracked through the air.
Yeah, he was.
Oh, that is so cool.
Yep. So you can also jump interact. That should be a feature.
It
you
is.
can jump interact with your characters.
I was also wondering, it doesn't matter if you go out of range with each other, you'll still... Oh, it almost fell off the ground. The wall. Yeah, you will be able to finish a conversation no matter the distance. You don't get
I hate it when you have those types of things where you interact with an NPC.
Yeah.
And you walk away from it.
And you get stuck in the interaction.
No, you don't get stuck in the interaction. It's just they stop talking and you're like, excuse me, that was just rude.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me? I mean, come on, be nice to me. Say something. No, don't want to talk to you anymore. Could you come closer to me? I only like people that are close to me. Just like Blue Barry, he loves the intimacy.
You don't mind, they're very, very friends.
We're very friends.
Oh, should we make him sit on a log?
Yeah, we're going to make him sit on a log. Since we've done our to-do, we're going to make him sit on a log. Because Blue Barrys need to sit on logs.
Should we commit this work?
We should commit this work. But should I get rid of this then?
Yeah. Oh, also, in the player move, can we clean up the code a little bit?
Yes, we can, because I noticed it was a bit muffy.
Muffy.
There were some muffins in here. Right, that's fine.
It was only down on the ragdoll updater.
Yeah, we can delete this one.
Yeah.
Look at. I think that's fine to have there.
Yeah. I do you mind if I just do it?
Oh yeah, you're a bit different with your if-else statements. I like to have them on separate lines.
Do you?
Yeah, I do.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I find it easy to read.
All right, we can switch to that format.
No, it's fine. You do the format you wanted to. No.
I feel like this is like a tab spaces conversation between us, right?
Tab spaces conversation.
So you like your L statement like
I do
that?
like my L statements like that. Yeah.
Did you or is it like this maybe?
No, I tend to like it like this.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. That's nice.
Okay, we haven't used that anywhere else.
I know, but I like it.
I do agree that it's quite readable.
Yeah, because when you put it like all in one line, it's unreadable. At least for me.
I think that you can set this as a syntax option in Visual Studio.
Oh.
And then we can apply it across our entire project.
So cool, Visual Studio. It does those types of things.
But for time being, since we don't have it, we're going to leave it like this. Yeah, I don't think we need to comment for look at thing. Ragdoll orientation, make the pips turn on walk direction, stand straight, or look at transform. I don't think there's anything else you need to worry about here.
No, but I did want to. There was a lot of. No, write your comment.
I didn't know what to comment anyway.
Because I noticed down here somewhere we had this.
Okay, that's a bit intentional.
Okay.
Because I was still tweaking a little bit of this stuff.
Oh yeah, because you're also doing the floating.
Yeah, that's unrelated, but yeah.
But I thought I saw another one as well, but maybe not.
I think it would be that one.
I think it was that one. Okay. Well, we'll leave that be that.
I'm aware of it, but we also haven't fixed the jump delay input thingy.
Okay.
But it's an improvement. It works the way it is. It's just not always working.
I'm still in planet
zoo mode.
Yeah, but I think it actually it lagged out. Okay. Yeah, I'm still in planet zoo mode.
Can we try something?
Yes.
Turn maximize of play on play off thingy.
Okay.
Hit play. And click on blueberry. Yeah. Now try the shift F thingy. And now we can pretend we're in Planet Zoo.
We're in Planet Zoo.
Right? And we can hold.
Oh no! Once you clicked away from it, it stopped.
Oh, I was hoping to do the pivoting around thingy. Oh well, at least.
Okay. Well. So, hello, all new viewers. Welcome to Planet Blueberry, where you're streaming Planet Blueberry.
I think it'd be Planet Berry, and then we have like all the strawberries and blueberries and.
So in our first exhibit, we have Mr. Blueberry.
And later we're gonna be launching a DLC, which is the Mushroom Land.
Yes.
We're in the autumn season.
So we are now going to. No, Shift F, isn't it? Oh, I don't know what I did.
I have no idea.
I have no idea. Oh, I did this something. Okay, so Shift F it, don't I? No, I don't. It's not working for me here. Oh, maybe it's because Mr. Pips is a bit weird. I don't know. Just Shift F him there.
Yeah.
There you go. So, this is a wild Pips. He likes to run in grass and to fall down lily pads.
That's so neat, that jump.
And he also likes to randomly float. It's really disorientating trying to run when it's just like the camera's a bit funky monkey.
Yep. That's, Oh yeah, so you have to run backwards to run forward, and yeah.
And I just got a smiley Pips and screen. Now I've got his butt. Ooh, look at that nice pippy butt.
Having way too much fun.
I'm having way too much fun. But meanwhile,
we were going to make him sit on a log.
Yeah, we were, but then you taught me something new, and this is what happens when Krista teaches me new things.
Because I read it on the Unity forum.
You
I was just like,
Unity forum.
I hadn't had a chance to try it myself because I read it when I was.
You're still on Shift.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Right, yeah. So
why are we in play mode?
I don't know why we're in play mode. Why are we in play mode?
That's what happens.
That's what happens when Clara's gonna make a log and she's like, Planet Zoo! Yeah. For all of you guys who have not played Planet Zoo, I recommend you play Planet Blueberry.
I love it.
Was it Shift W? No, what is it when you can zoom in faster?
Just hold right mouse button. And then WASD.
Whee! Okay, I found my Planet Zoo shortcuts in Unity. There you go. There you go. Right, where are we thinking about having this log?
Okay, so I was thinking right
there?
where you have it. Yeah, like
there,
yeah.
Right there, yeah. Okay, okay. That is a good place. I will certainly agree with it. So let's go into our environment and go to springtime.
Find a log.
And find a nice log. Now.
Tree stump.
Do we want a...
What can you say on tree stump? I think a log is better.
Do we want to have a wood log with snow?
No.
Would we like to have a wood log with moss?
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Would we like a wood log with nothing because it was made by Claire and it's crap? We'll go with the moss one.
That was pretty cool.
There you go.
Oh, there's little mushrooms on it even.
Little mushrooms. Oh shoot! Don't do that. Okay, there you go. More like, yeah, should we have it like where it's going towards there, or should we have it a bit more like that? Yeah, okay,
good,
that we're gonna go with that. This, and then we're gonna shove this blueberry, this grand little blueberry. Yeah, because I was thinking about that.
Yep.
We should serialize a field where we can put which animations are gonna go in.
That's not a bad idea.
Because I was like, if we can have lots of them, then it's a bit stupid for us to have.
Yeah. So the blueberry.
I came up with a great idea.
Yeah, actually, I wasn't like, how are you gonna do this?
Yeah, so I think the best thing is to use because we've got like the look at.
Yeah, we can use the blueberry movement thingy there, and we can make a checklist for sitting, and then he disables his movement. I'm glad you're excited about this.
I'm excited because I did something right.
Yep.
I'm officially a game developer.
I need a quick break. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes. Be right back.
Meanwhile, Claire breaks all of the scripts.
Oh yeah. You'll do fine.
No idea how this is gonna act at all. I mean, where is my little script? We haven't got any serialized fields yet, and we have a ton of to-dos in the blueberry movement. Not good. Not good. No. Right now, I'm gonna put some serialized fields in here. But I thought we did have a serialized field. This is awfully suspicious. I do know how to spell serialized. There is not there anymore. Why does it say look at then? Where does that come from? No, I'm just gonna put it in here anyway. And now I'm just gonna try and... Yeah, there you go. Serialized field. Animation? Or is it animator? Oh, I can never remember. I'm gonna roll with animation. And just let it be squirrely red brackets and tell me I did everything wrong. Let's go blueberry on. And I'm gonna look here and it's gonna do something. No, it's not gonna do anything. Oh, it actually did. Oh, it doesn't like me. No, it doesn't want that. It's upset at this. Actually upset. So I put a serialized field.
Nice.
For an animation. And it came up with an animation. Yeah. But it doesn't want to be my buddy.
Okay, I was just thinking of have a serious field of
Oh, the name of it, is it? Like
no. Of just like is sitting. A Boolean.
Oh, bool. Okay.
Yeah. Because I can just explain why. We would just do the animator and don't like set Boolean like we do here is sitting, and that will make him sit.
Okay, yeah.
So, yeah.
Bool. Is that not serialized field then?
You need serialized sit, and it's like is sitting. Yeah, I was just gonna get some cold water. Do you want anything to drink?
No. Oh yeah, because then in the serialized field, it say true or false. That's what you're trying to say. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Do you want me to do it in the update then, I guess?
Yeah, that's probably the best place.
Animator. So what it's saying. Yeah, I'm wondering.
Dogcam is very lazy today.
Yeah, it's very lazy dogcam. The laziest dogcam ever.
80?
It's early mornings.
Oh.
Mornings? He's angled. He's an angled dog.
He's going down. Okay, I'm back in business.
Yeah.
Sorry for the delay.
Because we got the update animator here.
Yeah. So
I'm wondering if we have to do like, if they're sitting. then it would do the animated set wall is sitting, surely. Or how are you thinking about doing it?
Exactly.
Okay, let's just try and do it, and I have no idea how it's doing, and Chris is going to be like, oh, you pressed the wrong button once again. And I'll be like, oh, now I've opened up Visual Studio Code. Wowzers.
You'll figure out this keyboard eventually.
Yes, eventually.
Oh, Winky's up and about. Good morning. How's it going? Dev BB. I think I remember that username. You're very welcome. We're doing good.
Yes.
I'm actually really enjoying my coding today.
We are actually.
Yeah. How about you, Dev BB?
And I came up with a brilliant idea, and yeah, I've been chuffed about it for the last 5 minutes, so.
Yeah. So, okay, the only thing I would change here is that how would this value become false?
Yeah, good question. How would it become false?
Is sitting, right? And remove the if statement. But we might need if statement for something. And that is to make sure that not all the other code runs, because it shouldn't be setting random
exactly.
reaching goals and running around and everything like that. So that should be also be disabled while he is sitting.
Yeah. So we should be doing reach goal.
Or what we can do. Here's a good one. Agent is stopped. We could use that.
Yes.
So, because when it's stopped, it doesn't really matter that it does all this stuff. Because it won't. But it might be a bit unnecessary.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
I'm not sure. We can do agent dot is stopped.
No, I was actually thinking to like do an or thingy up there, like 2 bars and is sitting or not sitting.
So you mean up here?
Mm-hmm.
Do another one of this.
Yeah.
Is sitting?
Yeah, well, if he's sitting, he would be stopped, wouldn't it?
If he's sitting, he would be stopped.
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
Mm.
Yes, of course.
You okay now?
Yeah, I'm just thinking like, no. If he's sitting now, he hasn't stopped. No.
I often get it backward myself.
Yeah. It's like when you have so many like, or statements, it's all like, yep, it's it.
So the only thing I also think, like, this piece of code does not need to run while he's sitting.
Yeah, so should we put that in an else statement?
Or an if statement.
Or an if statement.
Yeah, okay, you can put it in the else statement.
I think an else statement would
No, it wouldn't be, because
Okay.
this is not supposed to be in an if. But
Okay.
But the reverse if of this is supposed to be in this.
Okay, so if he's not sitting, we should put it that way. Else, it should be the other way.
Yeah. Whatever, just go for it.
When you have full announcements about your code, you're like, there you go.
And just move that to the line below.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
But without any else statement.
Okay.
Because
if he's not sitting.
Think about it. If you move it to the else statement, how would he stop or start sitting?
He would never stop sitting, Krister.
Yeah, okay.
He will never stop sitting. He enjoys sitting. This is Blueberry. Hello to all our new viewers.
Hi, how are you doing today? We're doing really good.
Hi.
Yes. It's been very quiet this morning.
It has been, actually.
But I've been really enjoying the work.
Yeah.
I've been having way too much fun with it anyway. But I guess it's because it's the first time we're streaming on a Saturday morning.
Yes.
We haven't tried Saturday morning stream. We done Sunday mornings, like twice. But
this dude is going to be sitting. Let's see if this works.
I'm curious now.
Drumroll, please.
And he fell to the
He is
ground.
sitting.
In the
but
ground.
I forgot to put a collider on the log.
I don't think that the collider matters as much as a nav mesh.
Oh, really? You think so? I
No.
thought he has a nav mesh.
Yeah, but
Oh, but the log itself.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm going to maximize on play this. Oh, shoot, I don't mean to. That was a bit funny. So. Spot the wild blueberry. Think he's in here? I think he's in here. Can we see him in there? Oh, yeah! You can see him in there.
Oh, that is such a... We're gonna do a secret with that.
Yeah, we're gonna do a secret
We
with that
have
now.
to be
we
like...
have to do a secret.
Oh, we gotta do that like in the running area, but like, I'm hiding in here.
Yeah.
And you're gonna sit at one of the ends of the log. That is genius. And you're gonna... Oh, and then you maybe find one of your seeds. He gives you one of the seeds.
Oh, yeah,
That is... Oh, I love when things like this happen in game development, and it's just like, perfect. We're gonna make a story out of it.
Make a story out of this.
I can understand how quests in like RPGs and MMOs are created.
Yeah, you just think it's just like a random mistake. They probably pre-scripted quite a lot of it.
No, it's just mostly random mistakes.
I'll spot random mistakes, yeah. Anybody here making an RPG and realize that all of their quests are made from random mistakes? Please do say, because I don't think Krister is correct in this matter.
Maybe not. Well, I think he's cute hanging inside his little log.
Yeah, well, he's not actually doing his sitting animation now. But
yeah, he is. Oh, wait a second, it's just frozen.
Not. He's just frozen. He did it at the beginning and then he stopped.
But, okay, if you hit Ctrl-Shift-P. I love the coloring and animations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, he can still look at you in the right direction.
He does face towards you. Yeah, I recently, yesterday, I was animating the sit animation for the little blueberry. Yeah, we will get that working soon enough.
This doesn't have a collider.
Yeah, we need a collider on that.
We need a collider on it. So, I tend to do a lot of like prefabs, and it's very easy to forget to add colliders on things, is what I've learned.
Claire, child.
And can you be
No worries. I do the same mistake all the time.
Isn't it
There's mesh collider.
Mesh collider, that was it. I don't know why I was thinking it was a capsule collider. I was like, where?
But I wonder if you need to hit the convex on this one.
What does the convex do?
Or maybe don't.
No.
Because if you made a massive log that you were supposed to walk inside, I think you need to be convex. So convex is when a shape kind of goes in on itself.
Oh yeah.
And they become a very different mathematical calculation for physics engines and stuff like that, or polygons in general.
Well, we can probably do that for something else, I guess.
Maybe we could just scale this log up and you can walk inside of it. But in the future.
No, we'll do that on another part, Krister. Okay, so let's try and see what happens now. We'll try and fix that animation later.
How's your morning, Debbie B? How you doing today? Or maybe not morning. I'm just assuming because it's my morning.
It's your morning? It's Europe's morning.
Yeah. But I stole it.
Yeah, I gotta put a nav mesh.
8 a.m. Yeah, see? Up early. In the UK.
Yeah.
Right. Here it's 9 a.m. because we're in Norway.
Yep. 1 hour ahead.
Proud of you for waking up so early on a Saturday morning.
Remember some tea?
Yeah, I get some tea. Well, we are out of tea.
We are out of tea. It's actually a crisis. That's the problem from doing a stream at 8 a.m. is that we drink our tea within the first half an hour and it's like we want more tea.
Maybe we should try the kettle keep warm feature and put it at 80.
Yeah, so, otherwise we should just get our like thermos flasks thingies and then just have them as like a backup to be like, yes, now we have warm tea.
Yeah, because I don't want to boil the kettle now because it makes so much sound.
Yeah, it's really like, it's not a nav mesh agent, is it?
No, okay, so no, remove that.
Yeah, I thought it wasn't. Remove component.
You're trying to solve something without talking about it. You go out of the prefab, and we need to make a nav mesh on it, and we do that by throwing it into the world in the,
Oh, in here?
Yeah, just place it there, somewhere, and click on the environment. And here we can click bake, wasn't it? No, wait a second.
Yeah.
It's a world.
It's world.
One up. There we go. Bake. Hit bake. And turn gizmos on, and we can see if it makes a little namish. Dog cam! Yes. Hello, yes. Romi Rori Kuroyoyo. I'm sorry, I messed that up.
Romi Rorikyo?
We tried.
What'd you like to be called?
Our dog cam is a bit sleepy. We have another dog as well.
But he's
even sleepier. But yeah, hit the gizmo button.
Oh, I didn't click the gizmo button.
Because we don't know if there's a namish.
Let's just see. You can see from a distance.
Yeah,
nope.
He's not there.
He's not there. Okay, that's the gizmos. There you go.
Right, and we can. Oh, that's a bit strange. Oh yeah, see, there's no namish around there.
Oh yeah.
Which is good, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
But there's not enough space for a little pip to stand on top of that. But should we maybe not need to worry about the nav mesh unless we're using it? So we should figure out a way to program that the nav mesh is like ignored.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, on the pip's movement when he's just supposed to be sitting down.
Yep. But I'm still a bit confused about why he's still falling through. Can I just have a look at what it looks like here?
Yeah, so he goes to the closest point on the nav mesh. That's what I was trying to say.
Okay. Yeah.
He will snap to that. He'll like teleport to closest nav mesh point, but we want that not to happen.
Yeah.
Because we don't mind. So we look in the code and we can try to figure out what's going on.
Look in the code.
Yeah.
Claire's going to take a 2-minute break.
Are you?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Can you put the kettle to 80?
I will try and... the kettle to 80. Hello, Maurice. You stuck your pour out. Hello.
So, how's your morning, Romeo? Romero? Gonna go with Romero. How you doing today? Find this. It's good. It's night here in Los Angeles. Yes, all right. You're in LA. Cool. Yeah. What time? That's a very different time zone. But I'm glad that you're here with us, and I hope we can help you have a nice evening. 12 a.m. Yeah, so it's not too bad. So that's why we're streaming like 8 a.m. at our time, so we can reach the world better. Well, probably not all of it, but some of it. I think that we need to disable this nav agent component at the very beginning, because I think that one is automatically snapping him down to the wrong location. Yeah, thank you for the follow. We have now joined the Snuti journey. Awesome, man. That is neat. I think I'm gonna try to code a little bit while Claire is not here. Agent dot, is it possible to disable a component? Stop remaining, disable. Maybe we can do a is stopped equals to true. And I'm just gonna. Yeah, but you put it to 80 instead of 100? Okay, that'll be fine then.
Muffins. Yeah.
No, that still doesn't.
We've got a muffin in the camera. Hello. Hello. You wanna go and try Minky Poo? No, don't squish me.
You'll have a very flat chihuahua very soon.
Oh, she won't. She loves that.
Oh, that is kind of cute. Even though the chihuahua just turned into a little lion now.
Oh yeah, but she loves snuggling as well.
That did work. Maybe this in a minor way. Is on nav mesh is active and enabled. Ooh, can we do and disable that? That's Boolean. Can we do that? Because I would like to disable it without. Yeah, I'm waiting for you, Claire. I'm waiting for you. Not at all. Property cannot be assigned to its read only.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna ruin the dog count if I'm not careful. I just got tea top up. No one can see where it's now. It's beautiful eye.
There we go. Dog cam has been fixed.
Now I'm back.
Yeah, I've just been poking around a little bit.
Been poking around.
In a slow manner.
Thank you for the follow.
Yes.
Romeo. Yeah. Thank you for the follow.
He's from LA, so he's like midnight for him.
Oh, whoa.
Yep. Right, I think I figured it out. Okay, what we can do.
You come in here to watch Blueberry to fall asleep.
He's pretty calming, isn't he?
Yeah. We need to, also show everybody
more is left.
What happens when 50 blueberries
enter
the world.
We will get around to the 50 blueberries.
50 blueberries.
Right, I'll just show you what I tried. So I was like thinking, what if you stop the agent at the very beginning of the start script?
Yeah.
But that didn't work.
No.
Also, I was like maybe setting destination on the agent is making it snap in or something, but it didn't work. What we can do is disabling the component.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I was like, disable it manually. That worked. But instead of having to disable it manually, we can set it to be like not is sitting. What just happened?
she was just like, you know, making her bed and like moved the entire bed.
She's a strong chihuahua.
She's a strong chihuahua.
Right. So I was thinking agent is enabled is not equal to sitting.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Or the opposite of. And that way, when that will disable the Namesh agent, because I think that one makes it snap into the Namesh.
This is a drum roll, please.
Ta-da!
Yay! I know. Okay, he only does his animation one time. Is this to do with the exit time, maybe?
No, this is to do with the looping.
Okay.
Yeah, so he did do the sitting animation.
He did do it. He's just got a twig in his face.
We need to fix this. Can't have a twigged berry.
Can't have a twigged.
I don't know why he's on his back all the time.
I don't know why he's on his back.
Should we place him like here?
Let's place him.
Yeah, maybe a little bit down.
Yeah.
So it's like properly in it. Okay, I think we can do that on. Oh, that's a lot of things. Here, blueberry.
Blueberry.
Berry. Loop time.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we forgot to put that on.
Yeah, and I
That's
click
pretty
apply.
impressive.
But I don't know if you need loop pose or what that even does.
What does loop post do?
Does the other one have loop pose?
No. They all have
Oh,
loop.
you can see what it did. If you hovered it, it told you.
Did it? Yeah, enable to make the animation loop seamlessly.
I think if the first and last frame
Are the
is
same?
not the same,
Oh.
Unity will interpolate so they are the same.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
It's my guess.
We hope so.
But since we make it loop seamlessly in Blender, we don't need to.
Now he's sitting on the log.
He's a happy little blueberry.
I need to maximize this on play now. Just pause that. Maximize on play.
So good morning or good evening, guys. Hope you're doing well today, and thank you for joining us. We're having way too much excitement about a sitting the blueberry.
Yeah, I'm look at it's a sitting blueberry.
That is cute. That is very
Oh,
cute.
that is super cute. Oh,
I'm wondering a little bit like.
I think you should turn him a little bit. I think.
Yeah.
But yeah. Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How you doing?
Oh, wait a second. If we go behind him and interact with him, but he won't turn back again, will he?
Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How you doing?
Right? Isn't that a bit weird?
Yeah, I think we should probably reset him.
Oh, maybe not.
Maybe not. I don't know.
He can just be facing the way you last faced him.
Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How you doing?
Gives the player some more agency. Justin, hello. Good morning, Justin.
Hi there, I'm Blueberry. How you doing?
Blueberry also says hello. So,
I just think that Justin wrote it at the exact same time as I was clicking, you know, hi there, I'm Blueberry. So you got the hi there, I'm Blueberry. Yep. I love how we have like a dollar sign in front of the thank you for following thing. I have no idea what that's from.
That might be a mistake. Oh, thank you for following.
Thank you for the follow.
Foul.
Foul mouth.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Thank you.
Awesome.
There's lots of people watching now, so you know what's gonna happen?
You gotta make it the blueberry party.
I'm gonna make the blueberry party. Is everybody ready to have a blueberry party?
But okay, you can duplicate one blueberry.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do the.
And then you need to, otherwise you're gonna end up having them all sitting.
Well, I'm wondering if that's pretty cool as well. I'm not sure. There you go.
Let's make a blueberry party. Because we had this the other day where we spammed this a lot, and that was kind of cool.
I think we're at 45 now.
Okay, how many blueberries do we
50.
want? 50 blueberries?
Or maybe 52.
Yeah, let's go with 52
We go
blueberries.
with 52 blueberries. And this is gonna fail on its head. I'm like, no!
Yeah, I did.
It did. Oh man, no!
We have 52 blueberries standing on top of each other, and they look like one. Wow, they are pretty synchronized. I give them that. But that's not what I was expecting. What did we do wrong?
What did we break somewhere? Stop going to be called an active agent that's been placed on a nav mesh.
Alright, so double click that. And why are we calling stopped? Oh, I think it's the other one. Because we disabled the nav agent if it's sitting.
Yeah.
So
we haven't enabled it for no.
That is peculiar.
I mean, you know, Chris, you shouldn't be messing around with these things.
Okay, we can fix it by disabling that line. Maybe. We'll see.
We still need to try and fix it.
Computer crashes is foremost predictions here.
Yeah,
that might happen.
It might actually happen. Yeah. Let's just see now. This is one Krista had to break the code now. I'm gonna blame Krista.
Why do you have to
Krista,
blame me? Okay, look at the errors and stuff.
Should not be captioned when there is a hot control. Hot control.
Okay, I don't think these are related. That's
related.
just 1 and 2 errors, and we got 52 blueberries.
52.
Right.
No, that's another thing that is.
So we have the numbers, we have the animators and agents and stuff, and I don't know.
Don't know.
And he's not.
Maybe it's because I made 52, and maybe I was supposed to only do 50.
I like your. Claire, come on. Spawn 1 every second. Well,
yeah. Okay.
That would probably be the wise choice in game development, right?
Yeah.
But we're not the wise choice right now.
No.
What Claire is referring to is that we posted a tweet where we tested this out and we had way too much fun with it. We were sitting laughing there for 5 minutes.
Yeah, and I keep watching it because I keep getting inspired.
And it has like this cool song track on it.
Yeah. So this is what we actually ended up doing, and this is what we were trying to replicate, but seeing as it completely failed, I think we'll have to give up. See, there was 50 blueberries, and this is what happened.
This was posted on Twitter 3 days ago? Time flies.
Because they're supposed to roll as well, and they're not rolling at the moment. They're not doing anything.
What we can do is try to fix so it actually does what it's supposed to.
Yeah, I probably should actually.
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably get rid of the, I
don't know, go over to Twitter if you want to check that out.
Yeah. And listen to the cool music.
Well, or just wait around here and we'll get it working eventually.
Yeah, I'm just going to get rid of all these blueberries for the time being. I'm leaving this one so that we can actually see if anything's happening.
I don't think anything is happening.
No, nothing is happening, but yeah.
So why would that be?
Yeah, because now suddenly he moved.
No, because we disabled that line which made him not move.
Oh yeah, that's true, I forgot that. Yeah, so he's not even walking, he's just
I have
idling.
an idea.
Yeah.
One other thing we changed, can we, that's the is sitting there.
Is sitting here?
Yeah, so I'm just thinking.
If he's not sitting.
If he's not sitting, he will be setting new goals and running around, right?
Yeah.
And that is false. And I'm also seeing on the stopped on line 42 there, is that maybe the wrong way around? It should be stopped when he is sitting.
So is sitting. Should we maybe set is true up here?
It's like default by a false.
Okay, it's false default. Okay.
Yeah, I don't see the problem. Like, isn't this correct? But should we try to remove code until it works?
Yeah, but you just said that this is set automatically to false. What if you set to true?
No, but you serialize it, so it's on the guy.
Yeah, that's true. I forgot that. So let's just take a peek. Yeah, because that's disabled, and then on this one, it's
lagging.
Yeah, it always lags.
There we go.
Is sitting, so that's fine. He's sitting.
Mm-hmm.
We're all happy with he's sitting, and this one is not sitting. That's good.
Yep.
So.
I was thinking.
I guess if I get rid of this.
Yeah, let's get rid of some lines and see what it starts happening.
Yeah, this stops.
Ooh. Could it be related to that boolean there? No, it can't be. No, that wouldn't be because he would have used the wrong animation.
Exactly. And he's not. He's just doing idle animation.
Yeah, so. He would use the wrong animation to move. That's all.
Prepare and bake. Oops.
Yeah, we can turn the auto-generate lighting off. Maybe.
Okay, so he's still not doing anything.
I expect him to run around because that's what the script is supposed to make him do.
So let's have a look and disable maybe this one and see if that was it.
Nah, that shouldn't be related though. I think it's the is stopped on the top there.
Yeah, okay.
So maybe remove the is sitting part of it.
Just delete it temporarily.
So that's how the code was originally before we started breaking it.
Until we start breaking it.
Nope, that's standing very still over there.
Very still, yeah. So let's maybe...
At the very start statement, we also changed some things.
What did we change in the... this one?
Yep. Just remove that line.
Just remove that line. So I'm just going to do this actually, because I don't like removing code quite yet.
Okay.
Let's do that.
And if it still doesn't work, I have no idea. Like, that's what it was originally. What could possibly stop him from moving? Should we start printing some stuff?
Print is no fun.
But maybe remove the maximizer and place it, you can more easily watch it. Okay.
So, yeah, maybe we should be printing.
Maybe, for example, print the goal.
So
it's called goal.
Just called goal. Oops, if I can type that is.
Because it should be picking a goal. Ooh, I might know why.
I know this is like 10 times you've gone, ooh, I know why, and it's not been that.
Okay, but I think I know why this time.
Okay. Krista thinks he knows why.
Because we had this actually with the previous script. Because we're not picking a destination in this area. We're picking a destination in a radius around his current starting position, and he's starting in air, right, and not on the ground. And then you can't get the destination on the ground because we haven't properly picked the destinations yet. And that was not it. I can't believe it.
No, but is he on the ground?
But look at the goal.
Is he? Oh, okay.
Why is the goal 000?
Why is the goal 000? But you sure? Yeah, because he's on the ground. Okay, you have put him through the ground. Even he is confirmed through the ground.
Yeah, maybe move it a little bit up.
Yeah, maybe a little bit up.
Yeah, that's cool.
There you
go. You can see the goal is actually an issue.
Yeah. So why is it not figuring out the goal anymore?
Maybe because we never set the goal. Because we never reached the goal and setting. Wait a second. Did I remove this line earlier when you was gone? Include set goal in the start.
Twitch viewers, did Krista destroy a line of code whilst I was gone?
I'll never forget about it. I was rushing, okay? I think I was supposed to set goal on the start statement. Because if you look at it right now, when does it set the goal? It sets the goal when it reaches it, but it would never reach it if it was never set.
Oh my.
It's okay, just call it on line 32. And we will be fine.
So we're just gonna move this one over?
No. Just make a new line out, just set goal and call it.
Yes.
That's it. I think that
Control Z. Yeah.
Yeah, we need some more Control C's around there. Control C's.
This is why I tell Krista that he shouldn't actually delete stuff whilst I'm away. See, he's rolling now.
Yeah, check your git commit history. Actually, we should check our git commit history right now. If you go to gitcar.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that now.
And I bet that line was originally there, and I deleted it. Click on the history.
Oh, that's a Toon Shader. That is.
Oh yeah, wrong project.
Very.
Let's see. We have.
Which one was it in again?
Berry movement to the one you're hovering.
There.
Yeah, set goal, line 32 is there. 2 lines down from your cursor.
I know, but yeah. So everyone can now confirm that Krista should not do any coding when I'm not around. You should be the one doing all of the tea, not me.
Yeah, apparently so. But the tea is nice, thank you.
You're most welcome. Yeah, so now I think we can start putting stuff back in again.
Yeah, the stuff which was originally not breaking it. I love that. I removed the print statement. That's gonna just go bonkers.
Oh yeah, that's just gonna go bonkers. Krista, have you learned your lesson?
No,
he hasn't learned his lesson.
Maybe.
A compiler error.
Ah. Yeah, you have a semicolon.
Cool.
How are you doing today, guys? You having a nice day, evening, morning?
Evening, morning.
Or night?
The middle of the day. No matter what time of day it is, remember to have some good old tea.
I need to apologize for dog cam being sleepy. Maybe I should move it up closer. You can get some.
I just love the fact that the Blu-ray just rolled into the screen at that point.
Oh, but we can use this?
Oh yeah, this is the Planet Zoo mode. It's Planet Blueberry! Yeah, we've been playing Planet Zoo, and trying to use Unity after playing Planet Zoo has been quite hard.
Yeah, you don't get the camera movements.
No, it's like I'm trying to I'm moving around. I'm like, come on, move already, and it's like no. And then I can't see my cute little blueberries until Krista taught me yesterday that he found on the Unity forums that you can Shift F, and it will follow the character or the movement. Yep. And I was just like
FOMO says, it's alive.
Yes, it is alive. And now we can finally do what we've all been waiting for.
Oh yeah. Go for it. And now the computer will crash. And the stream will just cut off. Yeah. Only 51. We're going to do 52.
Sorry, we're going to do 52. I apologize. Okay, and I haven't maximized on play. Oops.
Oh shit. No. We have a blueberry party.
Yeah, let me just. I'm gonna maximize on play first so everyone can see it.
There
you go. We can finally confirm this is now a blueberry party.
Oh, they look so much fun. And I love that they're...
All of them have a conversation script.
Hello, I'm Blueberry. Oh, he's talking with you. He stopped to talk with you, the little guy there. And now he's kept moving. Oh, the script works.
I know, the script works. And you can also... Oh, no, I didn't time it right. Okay, wait a second.
Yeah.
Jump and interact. There you go. You can jump, interact.
Yeah, and you're talking with the I think it's that one on the other side there, yeah.
You just get pushed right.
We should like turn the color of the one you're talking with or something. No,
Nah.
We're not gonna have this in the game, I think.
No.
I love that.
You can roll.
Okay, so Mr. Pips in his movement script has like this checking the angle of the ground below him, and if it's more than 30 degrees tilt, he will start tumbling, which is what you're seeing him doing, like tumbling around. And obviously the little blueberries have little sphere colliders on them. So he starts tumbling when he walks over them. Is this how you make blueberry jam?
No, this is how you make a blueberry mosh pit. It's like, yeah! You see, the blueberry over there is the one it's a stage.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
and this is the mosh pit.
This is the mosh pit.
Copy paste while in play and open stats to see FPS. Well, yeah, we could try that. The stats in the top right. Press S, yeah.
Up here?
Yeah. And also then hit the pause button.
There's a pause button there.
Yeah, and this Control D more.
Control D?
Yeah, so we were at 82 FPS or something. Yeah, just go for it. I don't know if this will break things. Maybe we'll break things. Conversation script says it's breaking things, but
yeah, but this is the conversation script. You know?
Now we have 100 blueberries apparently. Whoa, that's a lot of blueberries. Yeah,
where's the FPS?
70 FPS.
60, 70. Yeah, we're doing quite well here.
I think our game is performant.
Yes.
And this is running on a GTX 970, so it's not a very beefy graphics card.
No.
And we're streaming and encoding with the graphics card for the stream as well. So. Sweetest game of the sweetest dev couple. Hello, Sandra GG. Welcome to today. Hope you're doing well.
You've just come to the blueberry party.
The blueberry mosh pit.
The blueberry mosh pit.
oh, you know what? The gun we were joking about in our last video. Thanks for the follow, graphics still. In our last devlog video on YouTube, we were like, I'm Blueberry.
Yeah,
this guy gotta be a singer.
Yeah,
and
he's
here
the
we got the singer.
We got the singer, guys.
He just needs a microphone on that log. And you know who he's gonna turn into? Jigglypuff.
Oh no! Is he gonna, transform into that like Giga Jigglypuff?
I would be so scared if you had Giga Jigglypuff.
Yeah, because we saw loads of people have been putting Pokemon Sword and Shield screenshots.
And we have pre-ordered that game. It's coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow or Monday.
Yeah,
it's Sunday tomorrow, so it wouldn't.
Oh yeah, it wouldn't come tomorrow.
But yeah, somebody put up a picture of was it again?
Clefairy.
Clefairy is like small version, baby version.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was like the mega one, and it was ginormous, and it looked really, really freaky.
It's scary.
Yeah, it's scary, and we're like, Jigglypuff would be even scarier.
Oh, hey, look, we can fix this, Claire. I have an idea. Is it this one? I'm just gonna.
Yeah, it's there.
We have.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yes.
Oh no!
Oh no! It doesn't scale.
You're doing it on the wrong area. You're doing it in the wrong area. If
Why?
you undo.
I'll try to undo.
Yeah, you've got to go inside. I think him.
Why? I think it's apparently scale.
No, he's doing. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah, he scaled.
Oh yeah, he scaled. He did. Okay.
All right, let's go for it.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no!
All right, this is it.
Oh, okay, no. This is a bad idea.
We have recreated Pokemon.
Nobody needs to have Pokemon Sword and Shield this weekend. You just need Blueberry, okay?
We gotta keep this in the game. This is not planned part of the script, unfortunately, but I think the script is evolving.
Dev BB says do it to them all.
I'm not sure if that's a good idea.
And Justin said, how long have you both been coding for?
Like too many years.
Too many years.
But
10 years?
Yeah, our backstory is a bit like we've done game dev in the far past, and then we had a hiatus from game dev. Done lots of web development and stuff like that. We started game development like 4 months ago.
4 months ago, yeah.
Yeah, this summer. So, but we've been programming for like 7-8 years or something in various different languages, and you're gonna probably that looks good. Whoa, you're about to fall through the world at this point. This is like a nightmare scenario. The world, the sun is being blocked out from all the blueberries. And
Okay, we need to get out of here. There's one there who's just like hanging out, smiling. Okay.
See a smile in the distance.
We're trying to get out of here, guys. Come on.
Oh, I think I see the sun. I see the sun. Hit pause on the game. Let's see what this looks like from the actual world. Can you just like F it? Nailed it. We have now. This is a new blueberry party. Let's remove maximize and play and let's go for it. There we go. Yeah, this is fine. We have it crowded with blueberries. I don't see any problem here. It's a horror game now.
Yeah, it pretty much is a horror game.
So how will Mr. Strawberry react with blueberries? Will the fright begin? Yeah.
Now they're going to teach him how to raft.
That is actually the purpose of blueberries.
And apparently there also may be a betrayal in Act 3.
According to the Discord.
According to Discord.
Yeah. We've been having a conversation on Game Dev Friends Club, which is like a cool 100 days of game dev challenge we're taking part in.
Yes. Join it if you're doing game dev as well. Yeah. It's really cool.
We have linked it on our Twitter very recently.
Yeah, but you can also link it in the chat there.
That I can do.
Well, whilst I just look at the...
And there's a secret conspiracy going on there about
the bear.
The berries maybe having a betrayal.
I think this is a bit more reasonable if we do about 3. There you go. Yeah. Let's maximize on play. Oops, shoot, I didn't pause it. And then maximize on play. And then unpause it. There you go. Right. Now we can start. But how are we going to get past this to actually go see Mr. Blueberry himself? I think there's a like shortcut up here. Maybe we can just like jump up here to get a better view. Oh, come on. No, Mr. Pips, come on. Work harder here. Come on.
Is he tumbling down for you? Oh, wow, you're doing like some trick jumps here. Oh, wow.
There you go. I got the best stage ever. So, are you ready, guys?
Whoa, yeah. MOSHPIT! Nailed it. Oh, and you see the blueberries rolling? So our blueberries, when they reach a high velocity, they will, instead of walking, they will start rolling. We have a roll animation, and that's what's going on underneath here.
I'm just going to disable the stats.
Yeah.
No,
you're about to fall down. You have a little conversation in the meantime. Hi, how are you doing? Oh man, this is...
Now we need some metal music. Definitely, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
This is why I love game dev. Yeah, this is why we love game dev.
It's like all the weirdest things. Oh, I mean, I can't jump anymore because of the fact that
you can't jump while tumbling, unfortunately. That's just like one of the... But you can tumble. So when you're tumbling, the controls are reduced to like 10 or 20% of your normal control.
Yeah, that was true. I forgot that.
But you have applied physics and gravity, so you're like being tossed around a little bit.
Boop. I'm poking him.
You might be eaten at this rate.
I know. I am scared. I mean, he's got a big mouth there.
I think this beats the cake over the freaky brother.
I think this.
I see him in the background.
There's a freaky brother over there.
Yeah.
But I definitely think the blueberries really take the cake.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here. Almost there. Of course me. Okay, whew. Got that, yeah. So this is Mr. Pip's freaky brother.
Hello.
But text. Mr. Blueberry doesn't like your taste.
Is that when you walk into his mouth? Yeah.
So we have to give a bit of credit here to Pokemon.
Nah, or to the audience.
And to our audience, yeah.
Yeah, thanks for the suggestion.
Yeah. But I mean, for the big, gigantic one, that's Pokemon, and everything else is our Twitch audience, of course.
The MOSHPIT happened.
The MOSHPIT happened.
Were we working on something?
No. No, definitely not.
We're celebrating the fact that we finished something.
Yeah, and that's why we have a Blueberry singing and a MOSHPIT.
Yeah.
And people just found out that you can actually jump up here for a better stage view. I think that's brilliant.
Oh, it's really neat.
I think we probably should go back to normality. I'm sorry, guys.
We will have them someplace.
We'll have them someplace.
But this is not that place in the game.
That is not that place.
Should we give some conversation to that guy?
Yeah.
Rather than like, hi, I'm Blueberry.
No, he's high on Blueberry.
Oh, come on. Does he seem inviting enough?
Hi, I'm Blueberry.
I
How
think
you
maybe
doing? We have to do the voices for this, you're aware.
We weren't planning to voice this game.
We were never planning to voice anything in this game, but yes.
But this game keeps happening anyway. Yep.
Yeah, okay. Let's just... There you go. I'm just going to turn him around. I wasn't quite satisfied, and you want me to have something else. So what should we write, guys?
Well, it's supposed to be the first character you meet, which is not the strawberry.
I'm the first character.
I give up. Okay, we haven't written any text for this guy in the game.
Our scripts, no.
In our scripts, because I came up with him last night.
Yeah, we did actually. We were like, we'll add a blueberry to
I was sitting there like, shouldn't we have a blueberry on the log when you first like manage to finish the jumping area?
Yeah, and he's supposed to tell you something useful
about the game. Yeah,
about the game, but
have you tried holding down the jump button so you can jump further? No.
Oh no!
I love those conversations.
The worst thing about them is when it's like, can I skip now? Can I skip now? And it's like, no, you can't skip. And I'm like,
give me something juicy about the world.
Why is there a frog there?
I was looking up Twitter because we were talking about the game dev thingy.
Oh, yeah, the game
earlier,
dev community, yeah.
And I didn't find it, and yeah, I got that far. Sorry.
Yeah,
I got sidetracked. Anyway, on the subject, I actually don't think I have a good idea.
No. Well, I think we should definitely say like, hi, I'm Blueberry.
Yeah, because he's called that.
Because he's actually
maybe he's the official Blueberry.
He's the official Blueberry. Yeah. But there's multiple Blueberries. There's not just one Blueberry. So it's not like.
Should he be like referring to rafting? Like, I heard rafting is really fun, or like all my friends went rafting and I'm left alone, or what?
That just sounds lonely.
I don't know. What's his personality like? Isn't he? Or
bubbly.
Yeah, because he's sitting there like really happy. Isn't he?
I'm going rafting with my friends later on.
Let's roll with that, and we can figure out something better in the future. It'll probably stay there until the game's shipped.
Pretty much, yeah. Have you not seen our cutscene? So excited about doing rafting later with my berry friends.
Shouldn't it be his butties? Or is that too Welsh?
That's too Welsh.
You don't say butties in the rest of the world?
My best berries. You know, your besties. Best berries.
Could you do a pun on that somehow?
Your besties. You do.
Your berries? No, that wouldn't work.
No, it doesn't work. But
I need more blueberry puns in my life.
Yeah. Blueberry puns, come on.
Or berry puns in general, yeah.
What you gonna be up to later?
Well, you don't get a chance to respond to him.
No, guess so, but this is still a question.
We can leave it there.
Maybe you can have cherry twins bind it to introduce the game, and their personality can be absolutely different.
Oh, that'd be kind of cool. Yeah, that's actually a really good idea.
We haven't made a cherry.
And we have decided we have max 3 characters in this game.
Yeah.
And the final character is a mushroom. So we only have blueberries, the strawberries, and the mushrooms.
Unless we kind of morph the blueberry into looking like a cherry.
That could kind of happen. Yeah, I can see that.
That actually could happen.
Yeah. Then we could save a lot of work.
Yeah.
And still make it happen. But I got a feeling this is a severe case of scope creep.
Scope creep. No, you called it something else the other day.
Creepy scope?
No, you called it like cope creep or something. I was like,
what? Cope creep.
Cope creep. Is that cope creep? That's a new one.
And what's creep?
sweep, sweep, sweep.
I got pronunciation issues.
Chris doesn't enunciate enough.
Mm-hmm.
It's really hard to say scope creep. That should be a tongue twister.
Yeah.
Scope creep, scope creep, scope creep, scope creep, scope creep. Not doing that.
I'm tempted to just throw red material on him now and call him a cherry. But then we have to worry about how his little things hook together and how he will function. It would be really cool though if they like run apart and like bounce back together and like.
Oh, and you know the telegram emoji thingies with the strawberries.
Oh yeah, I love Telegram.
Oh, we love them. Oh no, we love those.
Most people probably don't know what Telegram emojis are.
Yeah, I know.
But
it's Telegram emojis.
It's a better version than WhatsApp, in my opinion.
Well, Telegram is, yeah. But I mean, they have these little like 3D emojis, and they're really, really cool. I don't know whether I can get them up on my phone.
I can do it, Claire. You can.
Okay.
Since we're so deep into like discussing these Telegram emojis.
Yeah, because now we're talking about cherry. I mean, it's a cherry.
I'll get it. I can get. There. Let's get a good one of him.
You can drag over there, yeah.
There.
He's called Hot Cherry as well.
This one.
This one, yeah.
Wait a second. We shouldn't do. All right. They only have a small camera. Look how cute they are. Oh, if you could make that, wouldn't that be awesome?
Oh, I know.
There's a whole sticker pack of them, but yeah.
But wasn't there like not?
Yeah. Well, yeah, like cherry butts.
Yeah, but there was also one there that was Yeah, this is the only thing I'm really afraid about. No. Is if we did the cherries combined, this might happen.
No.
So that's why I'm fearing for the cherries' lives.
Yeah, so we gotta stick with blueberries, you mean?
We gotta stick with blueberries.
But there's something happening lately in the game. We're gonna have some blueberry jam. I'm sorry.
Spoiler. Elia is gonna have like viewer discretion advised as we like. Blueberry jam, what happened to us?
Well, after the MOSHPIT, it kind of makes sense. So.
Maybe they have a MOSHPIT.
And that becomes
beforehand. Then you go into the next area and you see it.
Or maybe, they have the MOSHPIT and then in the distance you see the boar coming in.
Well, that is just mean.
Because a game does have half a character more, which is a boar, but it's not like a full boar, it's more like a boar's head.
Well, no, it is a full boar. I modelled the entire boar, but I didn't weight paint him all because I
animate and rig him.
And animate and rig
just the head. So he's a party boar.
Didn't we have the party boar?
I think we're getting sidetracked there, but yeah.
We're not getting sidetracked. We'll never get sidetracked in game dev. I'm gonna try and find the party boar. You posted up recently, didn't you?
I think so.
That's not the party boar.
Seems like
the party boar?
Nope.
That might be the party boar. Where's the party boar?
It's not there apparently.
Where's the party boar, guys? Come on.
Sorry.
The party boar. No party boar. Oh, there's a party boar. There's a party boar. Whoops.
Nailed it.
I'm gonna just like put it here. There you go. So this is the party boar. Oh man.
There we go.
That's the party boar.
Yeah, so that boar is in the game.
I have no idea what Twitter is doing.
It's doing good UI
it's
for you.
It's doing good UI. Good UI, Twitter. Congratulations. Yeah.
What's our next task? We don't really have any. We finished the game, we can ship it now.
Shipped. We're just gonna put in the blueberry mosh pit and boom, we're done. Game. Job done. We were trying to write here. Hi, I'm Blueberry. I'm excited about rafting. I think it says rafting. Rafting later with my best berries.
Yeah.
What you gonna be up to? And I think that's just like, yeah.
That's cool.
I think that's kind of like chill. It's cute. It's like, it's fine.
Let's test if it worked. Let's see if we have any typos.
Well, considering you have like a small strip to see, probably has quite a few.
Or you can structure the sentence maybe a bit better.
He needs to sing as well. I'm so excited about doing rafting later with my best berries. What you gonna be up to?
Yeah, that's good.
I think that's good. Well, actually, one thing we can do is make this.
What do you mean? Oh, that icon?
Yeah, because at the moment we just use the Unity icon.
Yeah, that's just a random icon we picked for the interaction.
Just a test,
But you want to like design it in Affinity?
Yeah, I can design Infinity.
Okay, go for
2
it.
seconds.
Okay, while you do that, I'm having another tea break because tea is going straight through me. Sorry, I'll be back in a second.
This is the reason Oh, I just tried to launch up Affinity and typed in lots of random crap. I don't know what I just did. Oh, I just removed all of my typing. Okay, what you gonna be up to? There you go. I still got it. I don't want to have it till later. Okay, let's just save that and let's just open Affinity. There you go. I'm not sure what to have. Where to have an exclamation mark? Question mark is a. A question mark is definitely a request. So, I'm just gonna put oops, not 100. What? Yeah, I'm gonna do it for 500. Take a nice thing here. Should we have an exclamation mark or question mark? It's voting time. And I'm just gonna be like, yeah, let's just. He's a blueberry, so we're gonna have a blue exclamation mark. Or maybe purple. No. I'm doing this all wrong. I know what I'm gonna do. Dot, dot, dot. There you go. And we're gonna. Yeah, Krister doesn't have the same setup as me. No! Wait. Yeah. There you go, no style. That one. That worked.
I hear it's going really well over here.
Yeah, it's going really well. I'm trying to figure out what colours to have and what to do. I mean, it's really like, it's gripping.
It's gripping.
Let's just put this to like 50. That's good.
By the way, very random, but let me tell you this. I just joined the Game Dev Friends Club, and if you need characterizing, narrative, or some game ideas, my nickname's there is the same as here. Yeah, that's awesome, because I like to get to know you, and post your Twitter handle, etc. if you want to, and I'll follow you on Twitter. Because and other people, welcome to post your Twitter handles, or...
Yeah, we like to get to right now I don't have anything stuck in my throat. Like to get to know you guys.
You can contact me whenever you want to. I'm not good with technical parts for now, but I'll be later. I really like you, and helping you must be a great feeling for me if I can. That's awesome. I don't have anything on top of my head, but I'll maybe have a conversation with you later. Ooh.
They even have this. Woohoo!
Oh, nailed. That's awesome.
Job done.
Why design it when you can just like take it?
I'm just gonna like resize this and be like.
Shouldn't it be an exclamation mark?
That's what I was thinking, but I was thinking more conversation would be dot dot dot.
Yeah. Yeah, we were discussing that.
Yeah, we were discussing this. We discuss a lot of things.
Mm-hmm. I like all the emojis. And
I do really like the emojis.
Good vibes and yeah.
And is that little cat holding a heart? Or is that just Winky? I think it's Winky.
Awesome. Centra GG. Centra GG.
Centra GG.
Okay.
I've seen that.
Yeah, probably.
What game are you making? Centra GG.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Are you posting on the daily updates?
Oh yeah, we might have seen it on daily updates. Is that finished maybe?
No, I'm not happy with the colours.
Okay. Yeah, but we haven't decided on a color scheme for the UI or anything.
No, we haven't. I was ending up just gonna probably. Oh my. There you go. There you go. I was gonna just. Excuse me.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I was wondering whether, because it's blueberry, whether it should have blue dots.
Yeah, but what about all the things in the world? Oh.
I like blue, so it's gonna be blue dots.
But imagine
that's dangerous.
Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna spill any water.
Yeah, we could probably like get to the color scheme another time.
Yeah, because I'm like, we need to figure out the color scheme for the logo and the menus and everything. We haven't made any of that in the game yet. Make a 3D object and have it rotating above the character. That would be really cool. But we have implemented the UI already, and I don't want to do double work on it.
We're gonna be lazy.
We're gonna be lazy.
I'm sorry, Debbie.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
But we need to cut some corners, because this game will never be finished otherwise.
A gradient, actually. Yeah, that's a great idea. There you go. Claire likes her gradients.
Nailed it. Finished.
Nailed it. Read it.
Pick a darker blue.
Oh, it's Facebook Messenger.
Why do you need a gradient if you made it a solid color?
Huh?
Your gradient is a solid color.
Is it? No, it's not.
Well, I know, but you go from blue to blue. Like...
Do you want me to put it to something else then? Do you want me to put it to yellow?
There's something. Not yellow, but...
Yellow!
No.
Oh, green! Oh, that's a cool color. Can we have this? Oh, I can have this.
We can stick with that. That's fine. Because we haven't decided on the colors yet, we will just stick with that.
Oh, okay. I feel like Krista's being mean.
What?
I think Krista's definitely
White.
mean. There you go.
Yeah. Finished.
Yes.
So that's the UI color scheme for this game now. I don't see that very fitting. This is not like a retro neon game with like synthwave music and everything. That'd be cool though. I really want to make
Well,
that.
we're gonna have metal music, Kirster.
Apparently.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it's a cat. Yeah, okay, cool.
The cool Carnage emotes. If you know him from Twitch, he's a great man, has a huge community. No, we don't know him.
I actually don't know, no. Is this something on the Discord we see?
No, he's on Twitch.
Oh, okay.
And it's not going on.
Oh, we changed subject.
Yeah, we were talking about the emotes.
Ah, okay.
This is if you know him from Twitch.
Oh, sorry.
Krister isn't listening. I'm sorry. I apologize. My husband isn't listening right now.
Gomenasai.
He also speaks Japanese when he says sorry.
Yeah. Kind of just happens.
Kind of just happened. There you go. That's better. Like that. There you go.
Looks good.
Looks good. I'm gonna roll with this. I'm gonna roll. Oh yeah, I haven't saved it, so I'm gonna save it.
Should we make then a graphics or folder or something, or UI folder, or I think graphics is fine.
I feel.
Yeah, okay. Let's go with UI and just put that into designer files in there and export of the PNG.
Speech bubble. Speech bubble.
Okay, looks good.
I'm just gonna export this as a.
But what resolution is this?
It's 500.
Way overkill. Like, export at 100. It's fine. You can resize it from there.
Can I?
Yeah. I mean, if you don't want to resize the entire document.
Okay, there you go. That's in the same area? Yep.
Go for it.
There you go. We now have a speech bubble. So we have it right here. I can see it right there.
Yeah, you can't click on that.
I've got to go into like the 2D mode, don't I? Whee! No, it's not that. Is it that one? Where's the UI? UI, where are you?
I'm just gonna sit there and watch her struggle to do this now.
There you go, I found it.
Yeah, right there.
Right there. I don't see
How
it.
long will this take? Oh, there we go. She found it. Yes, it was turned on with off with I. Turn the skybox off so we can see what we're doing. You're crying now.
Yeah. There you go.
Yep. Alright, there it is.
There it is. It's right there. It's this little thing here, which I'm now going to replace with. It says knob here.
I had to pick the knob then.
No.
That is off screen, by the way.
Oh, okay. We're going to click the knob. This is knob. Do we need to do something with that?
Yeah, we need to do something with it.
No, okay.
I guess I should stop being cheeky and being helpful.
You should be.
Open the UI thing and you need to set it as, sprite. Remember we done
UI
this
thing.
also?
Yeah, now I remember.
It's easy to forget though. Texture type. And then like...
Sprite 2D UI.
There we go.
Yeah.
And Chris, I'm not developing any games for now. I have ideas though. But you might remember me from the first day of developing this game. I was here trying to find some solutions for you. All right, that's awesome. Thanks. Yeah, I thought the username sounded very familiar. You might remember the camera vibration problem we had struggling with at the edges.
Yeah,
that was no fun.
That was no fun.
But yeah,
this is why that part of our memory of this is disappeared because we didn't enjoy the struggling was so hard.
It was more fun making MOSHPIT, wasn't it?
It was more fun making a MOSHPIT. Yeah.
Even though we had some struggles with me removing that one line of code earlier.
Yeah. Because Krista decided to code whilst I was taking a break making tea. Do not let your husband tamper with code whilst you're making tea. Because it's a clear sign he needs more tea.
Yeah, and not more code.
Yeah.
You click apply.
And if everybody's been watching this stream for too long, remember to go get some tea and coffee.
Yes, top up. Or unless you're in midnight and you're trying to fall asleep.
Nah, you need more tea anyway.
Well, tea is fine. Just green tea, right? Not black tea.
Yeah, or you can go for white tea as well. Depends, really. Yeah.
But that's really awesome. Thanks for being reoccurring people joining us. That's that's really nice.
And everybody, tell us what you're up to.
Yes.
We want to know what you guys are up to. And
how you doing today?
Feeling and how you doing. Whether it's midnight or whether it's early in the morning and you're just like, I'm barely out of bed. But it's a Saturday, so you need to do more game dev.
It's a good day to do some game dev.
And then you can join us tomorrow at the same time on the Sunday and be sleepy in bed and
Ooh,
yeah.
And for those who have been on the stream before, they might have noticed that if I just displace my wife a bit,
I've been displaced.
our background is improving. We put up 2 shelves. So yeah, we're going to put some more stuff in the middle here. That's going to be a surprise when we get that sorted. But that might be in a few weeks still.
The wife has been displaced.
Okay, I'll import wife.
Import wife. I feel imported now.
Yeah.
It's not coming up.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Have I done something wrong here?
I think that's correct. Nah, it's probably me being a knobhead.
Language. Scene maybe?
It was there. Speech bubble. 2 up.
Oh, I don't see it because it's not an actual icon of a speech bubble. I mean, come on. I mean, they should have done that. Unity. Unity.
Right. But you can increase the size of it maybe a little bit because it's like 30-30. Maybe you should like set it to 40-40 or something. Because you have some white space, you know, around it. You didn't,
that's true.
Like crop in properly.
It could just be like.
Yeah, we could, but maybe that's a bit overkill.
Well, not really. It looks kind of tiny there. Let's just see what happens.
It looks kind of tiny there. That's, you know, actual size.
Oh, is it? Okay.
It's gonna be massive.
La 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 la.
Oh my god, there's interface in my face. Well, it actually did blend in really well.
It did actually. Hello. Okay, I'll make it smaller just for Krista. I'll put it to 50, I think.
But I feel like we should have like a white rim or something around it to make it stand out a little bit more glow. But we can deal with that later.
Yeah, but I can also add that on really quickly.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
So we're going to add a glow, an outer glow. We do an outer glow. Outer glow.
So that's why you left empty space around it.
Yes.
But
that was not intentional.
Okay, before you turn it all the way up.
You know, all the way up intensity.
Yeah.
But now you got it like that.
All right, you got
solid.
Yeah, but because it turns to 100%.
100%.
And then you can see how big we can make it before we cut the edges. Right.
Oh, okay. So yeah.
There, stop there.
Okay.
And now turn the intensity to the one you want.
Should we do it to 50 or her?
I think it is an experiment because you don't see it here really.
No, not really. Do 50.
Let's try 50.
Let's save this and export.
But should we resize the document to be the right resolution?
Yeah, probably should.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do.
Sorry
that
for my poor suggestion earlier.
No, it wasn't. It was fine.
Anybody else here who uses Affinity Designer to work with their designing needs? We converted from Photoshop quite a long time ago. It's been years now.
Yeah, no, 2-3 years now, I think.
Yeah. Oh, I feel important now, wife. You are very important in my life.
Oh, that's good, Chris.
When we first met up, I went import lady.
Import lady?
And then on our wedding day, I went import wife. And then,
really? Okay,
then you got initialized.
Yeah. Like the wedding altar or whatever it was. It just like, just wait a second, let me just go into Unity. Import wife. Okay, we're married. Damn, we should run with that joke.
At the wedding?
Yeah.
Well, that's a couple of years ago now.
We should remarry ourselves.
That we're planning to do. We need to have more of that. Well, that looks nice.
That looks nice.
That really stands out now.
That does.
Doesn't blend into the background. And
who thinks Blueberry is cute? Ali.
Yeah, he's pretty epic.
It's pretty epic. I feel like this one could be a little bit bigger because he's a bit like blended into the background.
The blueberry? I was wondering more if we could do it with lights and trees and like frame him. with the environment.
Okay. Yeah.
And I'll probably do that, but that will be like a level design session where...
So maybe what should happen, is it's really dark and gloomy when he gets here, and there's a spotlight on here.
That's a good idea, actually.
Super dark, and then he suddenly goes over here, and it just goes bling.
Yeah, it's like a holy area.
Yeah, holy blueberry.
Yeah, because this is supposed to be like spring and a bit gloomy.
Yeah, it is. Well, yeah, but spring isn't gloomy.
When it's snow around, which is just down in the little pit we have.
Yeah, it is actually. I forgot that. Are you?
Geronimo!
Geronimo!
Sweet.
Oh, that's why we can hide our little blueberry in.
Yeah. I really want to make an underwater effects on the camera.
Yeah, me too.
Does anybody know how to do that? Like, to make underwater camera effects type thing?
Because, I mean, right now when you look underneath the water, it's like, oh, wow, the world is...
Flat. Or, yeah. Because
I love how these 3 trees are just randomly there for no bizarre reason.
Yeah, they haven't been placed yet.
Hello.
They are a bit misplaced.
Yeah, and there's a little path shader. Hello, path shader.
That worked quite well. After I ruined it and we had to redo it.
Yeah, because Chris decided to be really, really clever and make a time lapse of our path shader for our latest YouTube video. And he forgot to undo and deleted all the path shaders.
I deleted it all and saved.
Yeah. Which is a grand planning, so I had to remake it all again.
That's what happens. I like there's a random rock there.
A random rock? And it's a random rock.
That should be removed because it's way too high contrast that it really distracts the area.
Yeah, and then there's Jammy, and this has... Does this have a... No, this doesn't have a collider on it.
It had previously.
Yeah, I know. I re-prefabbed it.
Oh, right. Should we add that again?
Yeah, probably should.
We kind of need to. We can climb up there.
Need to. And then go Mr. Blueberry. Okay, right. I've got a few ideas here.
Of what?
First, we're going to go down here, and we're going to go to Mr.
Can you disable the UI?
Yeah. Winky? No snoring.
That's a loud chihuahua. At least to our ears.
This is a no snoring zone. If Blueberry says no, he says no. Oh my. I think our strawberry can just jump a little too high, don't you think? Or is there a reason for it?
I think you might be right.
Yeah, I think so.
I haven't finalized his movements because we made his movements and then made this jumping challenge. So I need to then readjust his movements. So yeah, he does jump maybe a little bit too high because he can like skip parts of the jumping area because he can jump so high.
Pretty much.
But I haven't finalized the jump in general because there's some scenarios where he's not touching the ground exactly when you press space and nothing happens, and that's really annoying. So I want him to like buffer that movement to later.
I put a mesh collider on. I didn't put on the mesh itself, did I? Oopsie.
The typical error.
Is it this one? Yeah, it's that one. Yeah.
Can
you guys hear Winky?
Claire, child, again. Open.
Open. Oh, I've got all these now.
I need to unpack prefab there.
Unpack prefab. And then do all these?
Yep.
With the mesh collider?
Yep. We could have maybe combined them into one mesh, but that's how it is. But we can. The nice thing about this is that we can make some wind movements on it, so it's like not so static. So it like has some.
So like swing back and forth.
Yeah.
There you go. Now he lands on the leaves and tumbles down from them. Okay, that's not where he's going to be starting, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, now he can finally actually jump up and speak to Jamie. Hello.
That wasn't intentional, but maybe we should make the leaves big enough so you can kind of walk up to him.
I probably should actually.
Because I was thinking that you're going to talk with him from the ground level.
Yeah, I know. Well, we could actually make the blueberry bush or strawberry bush a little bit smaller as well.
Well, yeah, I was thinking.
There you go. I got there.
Nice.
Can it jump up to the leaves? Yes, he can. Yeah, I just added on now the mesh collider so you could do it, but you couldn't do it previously.
Yes. Now it's not quite stable to stand there.
Nice.
Because it's mesh colliders. We can maybe add like actual flat plane or something to make it a bit more stable.
Yeah, and then he just tumbles down again. And I'm a little bit happy with that because he's Blueberry stands out a bit more.
How does he stand out? Oh, yeah, because he's larger.
He's larger. He's just slightly larger.
Yeah. Has his talk thingy?
Yeah, he has his little torque thing. Is that the right way? Yeah, that's the right way, isn't it? Yeah. That's
right. Looks good. Looks good.
It looks good. Oh, I'm sorry. I just automatically press save.
When you're in play mode.
Yeah. Because at the moment, this berry bush.
Yeah, just re-prefab it.
Re-prefab it. Let's see if I have it first.
Should be there somewhere.
No, I didn't prefab it, I think.
I don't think we need to prefab it because we're not going to reuse it.
No.
It's just one place in the game. So we can leave it.
Because we did it this actually.
Oh. That would be really weird.
What? The fact that he was
0.3? That would be like
yeah, I know that,
a micro brother and everything.
Micro brother. Well, we don't like Jammy anyway. Nobody likes Jammy here, right? If you say you like Jammy.
Jammy is the other strawberry, by the way.
He's low poly and he doesn't like anybody. He wants to stay on his little bush for life.
That's kind of cute, actually.
Just for Christmas, honestly.
Yeah, I think that's okay. We will have to tweak around a little bit with the leaves, etc. But yeah.
Yeah, but at least we got somewhere now.
Should we decide on like future task?
Yeah, I think we do actually.
Because I don't think we're doing any more tasks today.
No, I don't think so.
We don't actually really well.
We actually have actually. Everybody here has been really good motivators, so thank you so much.
Yeah, we've mostly been faffing about with moshpitting, etc. No, but we got that working.
We were really upset when we duplicated all of them, and
nothing happened,
unfortunately. But, it happens. I'm just going to save this and close this. Yeah, because we need to actually do one thing. We need to get Jammy to interact.
Yeah, which is just throw a conversation script on him, to be honest.
So let's just like throw a conversation script on him.
We can check if that works. Should we name that Jammy?
I thought I named him Jammy, but he wasn't called Jammy.
We re-import, but maybe unpack completely again.
There you go. I'll put him Jammy. Size 2. Go away, foul brother.
Any suggestions to new devs who will just start learning Unity? How we started learning Unity was using Udemy.
Udemy, yeah.
Not Unity.
Yeah, we used a course from Game Dev TV to learn quite a lot about like 3D Unity, and yeah, we also bought loads of other courses because there was a...
Winky, what is happening over there?
Meanwhile, just a pause, we can now see our strong chihuahua. Yeah, she's just stopped. There was a Humble Bundle a while back, which had loads of courses. So yeah, we've got like 2D, RPG, etc. So we're going to be going through those courses. But yeah, I think really just using a course is a really good starting point, because there's a lot of really good YouTube videos out there on particular subjects.
But it doesn't go deep enough and in the right order, etc. Because often I just start out learning things myself by just like picking it up and using it. But if you want to fast track a little bit, I think it's best to use the course because then you will get the right knowledge in the right order.
And especially learning like C# and everything as well, which is kind of nice to know if you're obviously doing Unity. Yeah. It's highly useful.
Well, absolutely.
Yep. I mean, you can also use Unity without doing any coding.
But obviously one thing you should be aware of with Udemy is that they usually have the 90% offer, etc. Very frequently. So don't be too rushed about it. So you won't pay too much for the courses usually. But they are always, I find it worth it if they have good reviews, etc. Does it not work?
No, it didn't interact. I've got this on Jammy.
Yeah, but can you take a look at that reason he's not interacting? There's 1,200 errors down there.
Oh man, that's the stop here.
Right, so it's telling you that agent doesn't exist if you read error.
Oh, because I haven't put a navmesh agent on him.
Yeah, but he doesn't need one, does he?
No, that's true.
But wait a second, he doesn't actually have blueberry movement properly. Or read what the error says.
Set destination, that's on another one.
Oh no, that's the error is on the blueberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should leave these errors for next time. I got an idea of how to fix them, but next time. Yeah, so that's our tips for learning Unity, I think, or game dev in general. Though it's a lot of things you need to learn.
There is, yeah. Mm-hmm. You need to have many hats. You need to be jack of all trades.
I can be Jackie. No, how was it?
I can be Jackie.
And I can be Chan. I love when I pull that joke.
And I was so gullible, and I had no idea what Chris was on about.
This is from my YouTube video, and I did it on...
Our YouTube video, yeah.
Yeah, on improv.
Yeah.
And that turned out so good.
It did, actually.
Well, in my opinion.
Yeah. But I think it was more because of the fact I was like, I have no idea what Chris is talking about.
What
He's
does
going
he
off
mean?
script.
Why
I was
would
like,
Jackie and Jan? For you, for the Winky, for the chat. Good vibes, good vibes.
Good vibes, good vibes.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Cheers. Yeah, and not for Moritz because
No, Morris isn't. No,
where is he?
I don't know. I think he's.
He's
in the crate.
We lost the dog.
Yeah, he's sleeping in his crate.
I seen his little crate.
In his crate. He's like, I don't want to hear anything more about blueberries. No, I'm sick and tired of blueberries. That's all mommy and daddy talk about. Blueberries.
Winky? Winky?
Winky side.
Hey. We're not getting our attention, are we? Sir. Hey. Good morning.
Everybody wants to see your little cute face.
No.
Nah.
Too early in the morning.
Too early in the morning.
Maybe we need to have like special dog treats to like wake them up.
Yeah, we should do that.
Mm-hmm.
We only do it on a Sunday though.
All right. Yeah, because we're streaming tomorrow morning as well.
Yeah.
So that's what I was going to say. Because we're wrapping the stream up right now.
We are. Yeah.
And we've been going for 2 hours. It's been pretty good.
Yep.
Got lots of stuff done. And we'll be here tomorrow morning at the same time.
8 a.m.
8 o'clock Central European time.
We're going to be like keeping our eyes open as
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. We normally do game dev at this time in the morning. So we just thought we would roll it in together with the stream.
Yeah. And watch out on our YouTube channel. There'll become some new stuff. Maybe during next week.
I think it's a week after, I think.
We're going to wait for the releasing. I probably won't be ready until then.
I won't be ready until then, no.
I'm working on a cool toon shader that we've been going to be sharing some progress on.
Yeah, I mean, I can kind of tease it if you want me to. Let's go.
Yeah, why not? As long as the computer doesn't just like break down and start burning or something. And also, we got a new stream setup today. Claire's been like working on the setup for our Twitch, so it looks a bit shiny. If
you follow us, then you'll see that, like right now, then you'll see a little drip bloom.
Mm-hmm.
That was our yeah. Where on earth do you have your little scene?
I think I need to take charge of this.
Example scene? There you go.
Oh yeah, you got it.
There you go.
Yeah, it's max price, but you can just hit play. Hello, Rock Melter.
Hello.
Awesome that you're here, though we're just about to wrapping up for today. But nice to see you. Hope you're enjoying your stuff this Saturday as well. I guess it's morning for you, if I remember correctly. He's from the UK.
Yeah. So is it 9 a.m.?
Yes.
Have you got tea?
Well, 9 is it there? Yeah, it's 10 o'clock here. But yeah, this is a toon shader, and it seems to be broken, right? Yeah, it's work in progress.
It's work in progress.
Yeah, that is broken.
The one on the right, isn't it?
Yeah, the one on the... So you have a regular shade on the left one and the right one. But you see the lighting isn't changing?
Yeah, okay. But it's because you were messing around with it last night.
Yeah.
This is what happens. See, I can't leave Christopher by himself. This is what he does. He breaks everything.
It's 2,000 airs down here for unassigned references.
Oops.
Not sure if we should look into this error right now.
No. But we are going to make a little tutorial about it.
Yeah. And it's really cool because one thing about this toon shader is that it supports multiple lights, and most toon shaders don't.
Yep.
And it also supports like direction lights, point lights, spotlights, and it figures out when you're in the shade and different cool things. So yeah, and thank you for the follow, Sarab.
Sarab Kachop.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that.
Sarab.
Thank you for the follow.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I'm not fixing this error right now because it's way too complex for me.
Toon shaders are complicated.
Knowing really what this is going on.
We love playing around with shaders.
Yeah, it's fun. Maybe we'll end up using it in the game. Because that's where the idea spurred from.
Yeah, actually we did. We tried to make
Or the fact that I've been playing too much Zelda.
Well, that as well. but soon we're going to get Pokemon. And then we're going to be playing Pokemon together. Mm-hmm. It does have that co-op mode as well, right? I hope it does.
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't seen any footage of it though.
No, neither have I. I hope they do.
We will leave it a surprise for when we actually get the game.
Yeah, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to add in a Blueberry rolling around because I really like him. Not too many. We're going to restrict ourselves. Just going to duplicate him. Put him over here.
Moving to the ground.
I know. Let me just...
Oh, that's what we were supposed to do. The next to do.
What was that? Oh yeah, to make their areas to run around in.
Yes. Do we have that to do noted down?
Yeah, we do actually have it noted down. I read it in the script earlier.
Okay.
We did that.
Let's see if we have a little Blueberry running around now. And Rock Melter, you missed out on our Blueberry MOSHPIT earlier. Yeah. I'm gonna make a VOD of that.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be
that was totally VOD worthy.
Yeah. It was really, really good.
You would love the blueberry mosh pit that they had going on.
Now we just need to have like metal music to it. It's like, yeah, and then speed it up, like, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, so this, just imagine 50. I'm just gonna duplicate it again and be like, whatever.
This girl.
I mean, I know we're supposed to be,
ending stream,
but this is too much fun. I mean, come on, isn't it?
Posted game difference, and you can use my band's music for it. Yes.
Yep.
So this is the small mosh pit.
This is the small mosh pit.
But earlier we had scaled them up to like size 8, and they were just occupying the entire space. And we had one mega one, which is the guy sitting on the log on the right side there. He was just like gigantic Pokemon size for the new Pokemon game.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And you can randomly
glorious. And when there's this many of them, you can mosh pits. What do you call this again? My head.
Crowd surfing? No, mosh pit and
crowd surfing, isn't it?
I think so.
Pips can crowd surf.
It's like, yeah.
Yeah. You posted it was you who posted a picture on the about the band performance recently on the Discord, wasn't it? If I remember correctly.
Excuse me, Barry's. That's just rude. It just pushed me through the ground.
Oh, can you jump?
No, I can't.
Okay, we're official.
We have now reached the bottom of the world. So this is what happens when the blueberries say.
Yes. Rock Melter, me on stage at my gig last night.
That's so cool.
Yeah. And what we're talking about for the other few who's hanging out here with us, I was trying not to knock anything down. Is this picture of Rock Melter who is on stage? Yeah, this is working great. This is
working amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, cheers for sharing.
Yeah. So now we're gonna like post that video. And then Rock Melter needs to send us the music, and then we need to put it on top and see whether we can match the timing for it as well.
Was it your Halloween gig? That's cool.
Oh, and then we can put the Snuti ghost in there as well.
Yes.
That could be the that could be the what do you call it? The main singer. There you go.
The lead singer. Yeah, that'd be good.
Have that.
All right, we need to wrap this up because I'm just getting distracted. I'm noticing I'm a bit hungry as well.
Yeah, actually, we didn't have big enough breakfast.
And those doggies need walkings.
Yeah, they do actually, because it's really raining, and I think it stopped raining recently.
Is it raining?
Yeah, it's supposed to be raining until like next week.
You're right about that.
Because it snowed the other day. Yeah, it snowed about a week ago. Really, really nice, really thick snow. And then it's been raining for the last 4 days, and the snow's all gone.
It's pissing down.
Yeah, okay. But we're not
walking yet.
Rock Melter says, laters, I'm going to go find some food. That's a good idea. We're also going to do the same.
Do that. And have a good one. We will see you around to next time.
Thank you everybody for watching. It's been really, really nice to have you all with us.
Yes. Awesome stream.
Yeah. Bye.
Because thanks for watching.
Yes, we have a thanks for watching stream.